Hey, what's going on, man?
up,
I haven't
man?
seen you in a while. How are you?
I don't shake hands. Too many germs. Where do you think you're going? Don't move another inch without taking your shoes off. Stay right there. Shoes are dirty and socks go in shoes. Let me see those. Okay.
Oh man, I was so drunk last night.
I got the perfect place for this. We will just put it right there.
Did you already get your taxes?
Please don't touch that. Thank you.
Don't you need that to do your taxes?
Not a problem. I have been audited before. Worked out last year.
So anyway,
Wait a minute. Did you take the bus here?
Yeah.
Then you're contaminated. Do not sit down. Let's go outside, right? Vitamin D. We're all deficient in it.
Can I at least have a vitamin water?
Stay right there. Well, it was so good to catch up with you, man. Oh, would you look at the time? I have a colonoscopy to get to, and I don't trust you not to touch anything. Be back in a jiffy. Don't sit down.